Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off your active status and Messenger of Facebook. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app in your phone and go to menu. In the bottom right corner you will see, click on that and then click on the settings below your profile name, or like you can see over here on the top your profile. You can see below the settings, click on that. Then you will see over here on the top active status, click on that and then simply turn this toggle off. Whenever you turn this off, nobody can see you are active on the Messenger. So simply do is click on turn off and then turn off your active status. Now whenever you comes in your Messenger, nobody can see you are online on the Messenger, and that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.